In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where your phone number cannot be used for verification on your Gmail account. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to set up or secure your account, only to find your phone number isn't accepted. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through these steps with ease. First things first, let's clarify what's probably going on. Google, aiming to protect its users from spam and fraudulent activities, has certain restrictions when it comes to phone numbers that can be used for verification. If your number appears to be used too frequently or it's linked with suspicious activity, Google might flag it, hence leading to the verification problem. Now imagine you're in a situation where you're trying to verify your Gmail account. The first step is to make sure that the phone number you're using is correctly input and that it hasn't been heavily associated with multiple accounts. Input errors can be a quick fix, so double-checking the number is always a good start. If double-checking doesn't resolve your issue, the next thing to do is consider using an alternative phone number if you have one available. This doesn't mean you won't be able to use your primary number eventually, but for the sake of verifying and accessing your account temporarily, this could be a useful workaround. Sometimes, borrowing a family member's number just for the process, or using a secondary phone line, if possible, could be your viable solution. Another factor to consider is that certain numbers, like those from prepaid services or virtual numbers, might be restricted. If your phone number falls into such categories, switching to a standard mobile number might just be what you need. Should all else fail, try waiting a bit and then attempt the verification process again. It might sound too simple, but repeatedly trying might unintentionally signal suspicious activity. Giving it a bit of time, maybe about a day, can sometimes resolve the issue on its own, as Google may lift its restrictions. Lastly, if these steps don't resolve the issue, contacting Google support for further assistance is your best bet. Remember to provide them with as much information as possible, like the type of phone service you use or any recent changes to your account, to help them better understand your problem and offer a solution. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll hopefully be able to verify your phone number with Gmail without any more headaches. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips.